Okay, guys, the assignment for the lab number 1, which you have for next week, it's this one on the right. Let me explain to you what the assignment is about. The assignment is you have to open the Solidworks using Citrix. Okay, uh, open Solidworks using Citrix and use your student ID only. So if you are using your friend's student ID, you will get the 0 grade automatically. So I want you to use your student ID to log in into the Citrix and then open a normal part file and do this sketch on the front plane. Okay, this sketch on the front plane, remember? Or top plane. Yeah, this sketch they give all the dimensions are given here in millimeters. Yes, this is in millimeters. You have given all the dimensions here in millimeters, so you have to change your units to millimeters and sketch the following parts. The units are in millimeters. Okay, make sure your sketch is fully defined. So that's a requirement I want from you. Your sketch should be fully defined by giving all the necessary dimensions you need, and try to use all the sketch features for you which you want to have for better practice. Okay, you can find tutorial guides on how to make this, but I want you to explore the sketching on your own and get good at this. It will help you play with the mouse, play with the options and everything very nicely, and inshallah it will help you with using the Solidworks in a very nice way. Okay, so make sure you use the sketching command, all of them fully, and try to explore what you can do. And how to submit this? You are required to submit the sketch online via Blackboard on the online submission. Okay, yeah, I want you to submit it online on the Blackboard. Save your file with the name as lab1, first name and last name. Very important. Lab1, first name and last name. If you do not follow, so remember what's written here. If you do not follow these guidelines, it will not be graded. Your file will not be graded, so it will automatically get a 0 grade. So remember, I'm very picky on if you're following the format. Lab1, first name and last name. This does not mean you make your lab like this. Okay, lab1 first, so maybe I can check Ahmad and then I can write Al Burdani. Okay, so I'm taking Ahmad you as example. If you write it like this, it's not gonna work, because it should be lab1 underscore Ahmad underscore Abdul Rani. Okay, Aburdani. So make sure you follow the format totally correctly in order for the files to be accepted. The deadline for this is on Wednesday, 27 January 2021. You can submit it by any time, so it should be by 11:55 a.m. So once you submit your work by this deadline, the next Thursday morning I should all receive everything. If not, then the late penalty will be applied. So make sure you submit this on the Blackboard, and in the assignment section you will find the submission link for this. I haven't created it. I've created today, inshallah. Okay, yeah, you can take extra 12 hours, Yusuf. Thank you. Anyway, so this is the way you can do the assignment. I hope the assignment is easy and understood by you. This has circles, it has fillets, it has lines, and this is how you will